Hello my friends, my name is Nikolai, and for today's quick comparison/review we have two NATO top handles. One of them is Neewer and another SmallRig. As you can see, they are very similar and sold at about the same price, but they have a few differences. First difference, that Neewer handle comes with NATO rail adapter and Allen wrench, so you could screw the rail on your camera cage. But I'm sure that you already have a couple of them laying around. The SmallRig handle comes as is. When you grab a handle, the first thing you notice is the grip feeling. Since Neewer has thicker silicone pad, it feels more comfortable in your hand than SmallRig's. You can see this thick layer of the silicone material. Also, the edges of this Neewer handle are more rounded than SmallRig's. This is sharp. Well, not that sharp. I mean, you can't cut yourself, but it's definitely not the same feeling of the edges. And again, the silicone pad is much thinner than Neewer's, and this is SmallRig. As you can see, SmallRig. I am concerned a little bit that the silicone grip on this Neewer handle will peel off faster due to less accurate gluing job. You can see little gaps. It's nothing significant, not a huge difference, but it is there. And also, again, comparing two materials, the SmallRig pad material feels better. It's like a matte cover, matte feeling. Another thing about the Neewer handle is that it has those marks, these marks, which I don't really like because it doesn't really serve any purpose. I mean, you can tell what kind of hole it is, what kind of thread it is without the marks, but it makes the design more complicated. In general, these two handles are very similar, and it's hard for me to pick one because I like the comfort of the Neewer handle, but on the other hand, the SmallRig matches my setup better, just the way it looks. And it's like with two cars, you like one car better because the way it drives and comfort, but it doesn't really look good, or at least you don't really like it. And you have another car which looks much better, you love the way it looks, but it doesn't drive as nice and smooth as another car, and it doesn't provide the comfort as the first one. So these are the two handles, and that's it for today. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I hope that it was helpful.